the following story that said, Love Forward in Patriotism. Love Forward and Patriotism. Mazzin, the legendary Italian patriot, is sitting silently in an old and decrepit hotel situated in a seedy part of London. No sooner does dusk far down the hotel plunged in darkness. Noticeably, the members of scrupulous gentry keep themselves away from this area, a place infamous for gambling, drunken revelries, and other hideously evil activities. His attractive face looks pale and drawn, and eyes deeply thoughtful. His lips dry and clothes crumpled and dirty. He looks disheveled, as if without having showered and shaved for months. Anybody not acquainted with Mazzin would certainly believe him to be from among those frustrated, unfortunate men who slave to their desires, come to hotel to drown their sorrow and indulge in immoral, repugnant pastimes. Lost in deep thoughts, Mazzin contemplates the pathetic plight of the fellow countrymen. Oh, unfortunate and oppressed nation! Won't you ever see prosperous day? Won't the sacrifices of your beloved sons, crowned with exile, go in vain? Oh, beloved country! Have you been condemned forever to live in humanization, slavery, and subjugation while putting up with oppression? You still haven't been able to generate the power and ability to achieve freedom and stand independent. It seems that you are destined to suffer more humanization or freedom. I lost many of my devoted and dedicated friends for you. Countless mothers and wives not only mourn the loss of the young promising sons and husbands who laid down their lives while upholding the self-respect and the dignity of their country, but also spared the heap of curse of Mazzin, himself afflicted with torments. Won't the sacrifice of lion-hearted, brave, and heroic sons of the country, who never took to their herds, be enough to win the freedom? Ah, freedom! Are you such an elusive, precious then? Why do I continue to live? I'm affected to live and see my country be crushed and trampled under the feet of the ruthless, treacherous, and tyrannical enemies. I'm not able to live any longer to see afflictions and tyrannies preying on my brothers, my fellow country people who have fallen to my tougher enemies. Mazzin is jolted out of his thoughts by the country of Rafet, his friend, who is also suffering in exile. He enters the cell with a piece of biscuit. A fair young Dan, Mazzin Rafet looks a fine gentleman, Pelafas of a noble stock. He shakes Mazzin by shoulders and says, "Joseph, take. Eat it." Mazzin raises his head with a start and says, "From where did you get it? You had no money. First eat it, and then ask question. You haven't had anything since yesterday evening. First tell me from where you get it." It can also see a packet of tobacco in your pocket. Where did you get this money from? What is the use of asking this question? I want to get the new coat my mother had sent me. Mazinis has a deep sight among immediate trickery, blurring his cheeks, then searching in his breath. He says with tears in his eye, "Why did you do it? What will you hear?" With the honorary son of the Amionel, a Tyrian father, be dressed in the same tattered coat on the occasion as well? Won't we be able to make some money by the time Christmas comes? We will surely have new suede and wear them to celebrate the occasion of the much cherished independence of our motherland. There is no means of earning any money. The articles sent to publication in our monthly journals have already been turned. The money we receive from our home has already run out. What are the sources there? Christmas is still a week away. Why bother now? After all, it will not make any difference if we have to wear the same old coat. Remember, you have also sold the ring gifted to you by Magdalene in order to pay the doctor's fees during my illness. I'm going to write about it to her soon. She will deal with your secret. It is Christmas Day. Everyone, young, old, poor and rich, is enjoying the warmth and joy of the festival. The people suitably clad for the occasion are heading toward church. No one looks dejected or forlorn. But Martin and Lafayette are confined to the narrow and glum dungeon, their heads hung low. A sigh of anguish escapes Martin strips while Lafayette gets frigid. He passes from the corner of the cell to the door. To obliterate the depressing thoughts of his poverty-stricken day, he looked out of the window, staring fixedly at the brothers struggling drunkenly to their feet and indulging in mindless activities. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't ignore what we have, and part of this story will give you the next time. Don't plan to miss. Thanks.